Hello quick learners, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your tutor Megha Gupta. Today I'm going to discuss the most important topic in today's world, that is called the AI in biotechnology. So, what is AI in biotechnology? The future of healthcare and innovation, where artificial intelligence meets the science of life, accelerating discovery, transforming medicines, and redefining what's possible. Imagine a future where diseases are detected before symptoms even appear, where medicines are discovered in months instead of years, where computers can analyze human DNA faster than the world's best scientists. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this future is already becoming reality because of AI in biotechnology. Hello everyone, today we are going to explore one of the most revolutionary technologies that is changing healthcare, medicine, genetics and scientific research forever. If you are interested in AI, biotechnology, future technologies, medical science, or career opportunities in science, then this video is going to be extremely exciting for you. So watch this video till the end because the future you are dreaming about is already being built today. Next, we will discuss what is AI, which is called the artificial intelligence, right? Before understanding AI in biotechnology, first let us understand AI itself. AI is a technology that allows machines to think, learn, and make decisions almost like humans. Now think about this. When you open YouTube, it recommends videos. When Google Maps shows the fastest route, when your phone unlocks using face recognition, that is AI working behind the scenes. AI learns from huge amount of data. The more data it gets, the smarter it becomes. AI enables machines to learn, reason and make decisions, processing vast amount of data for faster than human could. Machine learning, deep learning, prediction, automation. AI learns from huge amount of data. The more data it gets, the smarter it becomes. AI can recognize patterns, right? Patterns which is in your phone. You can you just unlock your phone by helping by the use of patterns. Analyze information, predict outcomes, solve problems quickly. And honestly, this is why AI is becoming one of the most powerful technologies in the world today. Many experts believe AI will transform almost every industry in the next few years. Next, we will discuss what is biotechnology. Now let us understand biotechnology. Biotechnology is the branch of science that uses living organisms, cells and biological systems to create useful products and technologies. In simple words, biotechnology uses biology to improve human life. Biotechnology harnesses living organisms and biological systems to develop products and technologies that improve our lives, from medicine to agriculture, right? Biotechnology is already around us, for example in the form of vaccines, in the form of antibiotics, in the form of insulin, in the form of genetic engineering and the tissue culture. All these are the part of biotechnology. It plays an important role in healthcare, agriculture, food production, environmental protection. Without biotechnology, modern medicine will not exist. And now when biotechnology combines with AI, it becomes even more powerful. Next, we will discuss, if we combine both the AI and the biotechnology, that it will be called as a scientific revolution. It will be called as a scientific revolution. Now comes the most exciting part. What happens when biotechnology create massive amounts of biological data every single day. For example, DNA sequence, protein structure, disease records, clinical trial records, now imagine scientists trying to analyze millions of biological records manually. It will take years. But AI can analyze this huge data within seconds, and this is exactly why AI is revolutionizing biotechnology. AI helps scientists to discover medicine faster, predict disease, improve treatments, reduce research time, increase accuracy. This combination is not just improving healthcare, it is completely transforming the future of humanity. When AI processes biological data at scale, research timelines shrink, actually improves, and smarter healthcare system emerge. That is the data, the biology, the AI innovation. Data plus biology plus AI, that will be the future innovation. Next, we will discuss AI in drug discovery. This is also the most important topic. One of the most powerful uses of AI in biotechnology is drug discovery. Why we need a drug? As you all know, drug, basically what does drug do? It will cure our diseases, right? One of the that's why normally creating a new medicine is extremely difficult. It can take 10 to 15 years. Wait, sorry. Yeah, it can take 10 to 15 years, millions of dollars, billions of dollars, thousands of failed experiments. Scientists must test huge numbers of chemical compounds before finding one successful medicine. But AI is changing this process completely, right? Transforming pharmaceutical research, AI dramatically accelerates the journey from molecule to medicine, cutting costs and saving lives, right? AI can analyze chemical structures. As you all know, AI can analyze what? Chemical structures, predict how drugs will behave, identify side effects, suggest better combinations. This saves both time and money. For an example, if we talk about during the COVID-19 pandemic, AI played a major role in accelerating vaccine research and medicine development. Companies like Pfizer, Moderna use advanced technologies and data analysis to speed up research. And honestly, this is just the beginning. AI basically what does do? Fastest recovery. Basically, AI screen millions of compounds in days, not in years. Predict effectiveness. Models forecast how drugs interact with the body. It already can analyze if this drug is going to interact with the human body, then how the body will respond. It is already AI can predict. It also reduce the cost. Fewer failed trials means massive savings, right? Next, we will discuss AI in genetics and DNA analysis. Now, let's talk about this topic. Even human body, every human body contains DNA, right? As you all know, every human body has a DNA, which carries genetic information. But human DNA is incredibly complex. Analyzing DNA manually is almost impossible because it contains massive amounts of biological information. This is where AI becomes extremely useful. AI helps scientists what? In the form of to analyze genomes, detect mutations, where the changes occur in the genetic organism. Like next, predict inherited diseases, understand genetic disorder, AI can even help identify diseases like cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer before they become severe. Another amazing concept is personalized medicine. Imagine this: instead of giving the same medicine to everyone, doctors can create treatment specifically designed for your body and genetics. That is the future of AI is helping create. AI is unlocking the secrets of human genome, enabling personalized medicine and early diseases detection at unprecedented scale. Genome sequencing, it can decode genomes, entire genome. ठीक है. Mutation detection, as I discussed over here, precise identification where the genetic mutation occur, which can cause the hereditary disease. Precision medicine, treatment tailored to an individual unique genetic makeup. Disease prediction, AI model predicts susceptibility to condition before symptoms appear. Next we will discuss AI in disease diagnosis. Now imagine a computer detecting cancer, right? Earlier than humans. Sounds unbelievable, like, but AI is already doing this. AI systems can analyze X-rays, MRI, CT scans, blood reports with incredibly speed and accuracy. AI helps doctor to detect cancer, heart diseases, brain disorders, lung infections in early stages, and early diagnosis can save life. Hospitals around the world are now using AI tools to support doctors and improve patient care. But remember, AI is not replacing doctors. AI is helping doctors become faster, smarter, and most accurate. It is basically what does AI is doing. It is a if we tell that it is a diagnostic tool transforming how diseases are detected earlier, faster, and with a greater accuracy than even before what a human can do. But before human will analyze, AI can predict more accurately, more fastly than human can do. Next we will discuss benefits of AI in biotechnology. What are their benefits? So why AI is becoming so important? Because the benefits are huge. First, the faster research, right? AI can analyze millions of data points quickly. Second, better accuracy, right? It reduces human errors in diagnosis and research. Third is the lower cost. Drug discovery and testing become cheaper. Fourth, the personalized health care. Treatment become more effective for individual patients. Next is the early disease detection. This is also very important. Early disease detection. Diseases can be identified before they become dangerous. AI is helping scientists save time, money, and most importantly, human lives. Next, we will discuss challenges and risk. Right. Now, although AI is extremely powerful, there are still some serious challenges. First is the data privacy. Right. Medical records contain sensitive personal information. Protecting patient data is very important. Right. Next, next thing is the ethical concern. Misuse. People basically worry about the misuse of genetic information, AI decision making, lack of human control. Third is the high cost. Advanced AI systems require expensive technology and powerful computers. Fourth is in need for skilled experts. Companies now need professionals who understand both biology and AI. And finally, many people ask an interesting question, that is, can AI replace scientists and doctors in the future? What do you think? There is nothing which can be replaced. We also need the humans. Why, if humans are not, who will run the AI, right? These are things AI can do it more precisely, more accurately. That is for that challenges what humans needed, right? Humans needs to do the needs to give the command, needs to predict, needs to analyze. This is like help, taking the help from AI, right? There are some challenges on risks which we talked about, that is called the privacy is the major concern, ethical concern, like high cost, skills gap, over dependency. Yeah, because people can become over dependent on AI. Next we will discuss future scope and conclusion. The future of AI in biotechnology is absolutely incredible. In the coming years, AI may help create smart hospitals, robotic surgeries, personalized medicines, faster vaccine development, advanced genetic therapies, smart diagnostics, careers in biotechnology. Some scientists even believe AI could help cure diseases that currently have no treatment. And for students, this field offers massive career opportunities in biotechnology, bioinformatics, AI research, healthcare technology, computational biology. So, friends, AI in biotechnology is not just a trend. It is the future of healthcare, medicine, and scientific innovation. And the most exciting part is we are living at the beginning of this revolution. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and please do subscribe my channel. Would you trust AI to help doctors to treat diseases? Comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.